Channel update, August 2019. That's coming up next. Welcome to Build a Drone Reviewer, and now Build a Drone Reviewer Limited Edition channel update for August of 2019. Let's jump right into it. Now, first I want to thank everybody for the incredible positive response and support for Build a Drone Reviewer Limited Edition channel. As you're aware, the channel will feature some limited edition content, channel updates, commentary, vlogs, launch events, activities, outtakes, announcements, and podcasts. That sure is a mouthful. Now, there'll be a link in the description for you to go ahead and make sure that you check this out. Now, with the exception of this channel update, all updates going forward will be exclusively on Build a Drone Reviewer Limited Edition channel. As of right now, I'm planning on having a minimum of one a quarter or more often as news and information presents itself. Now, be sure to subscribe to Build a Drone Reviewer Limited Edition to make sure that you don't miss any of these channel updates. Other exciting news includes new logos. That's right, new logos. With a new channel comes new and updated logos for both channels. Now, the old logo featured a DJI Mavic Pro and a DJI Spark, both in orange. Now, they've since been updated to a DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 in blue and a DJI Mavic 2 Pro in orange. Also, the lettering, "It's a great day to fly," has been added in the logo as well. Now, soon to follow will be updated intros and merchandise, including cups, hats, and t-shirts. So stay tuned for that as well, because I know I've had a number of you asking about that. And we're going to go ahead and make that happen. Now, Tuesday Night Rotor Talk Live is no longer called Tuesday Night Rotor Talk Live. It is now called Rotor Talk Live. Same night, Tuesday nights at 8 o'clock. Same great content. Same host, yours truly, along with the outstanding and exceptional Marcus Crawford and Ron Brown. And we're going to continue with the exact same format. It's been fantastic. We've had a great time. We get a great response. I'd like to thank you for your excellent participation in chat the past few weeks. It has been outstanding. We really greatly appreciate that. So can't thank you guys enough for that. Now, the name is also going to be used in case I go on the air for other live streams, such as if I decide to do a Saturday or a Sunday Rotor Talk Live. It'll still be called Rotor Talk Live. And I will keep the format of the season number, and we're in season 2. And I believe the last episode was season 34. So we'll be keeping that numbering system going forward. Now, all the Rotor Talk Lives going forward will be made into podcasts. That's one of the things that I'm very excited about with the Build a Drone Reviewer Limited Edition channel. It's very easy. Now, they will also be on, I will also have them featured on Podbean, on iTunes, on the Google Play Store, and on Spotify. So there'll be a number of avenues where you'll be able to can choose to listen to one of the podcasts. Now, I do have a question out there for everybody. If there's a previous Rotor Talk Live, Tuesday Night Rotor Talk Live, or a Sunday afternoon Rotor Talk Live, or any one of them that you would like to see made into a podcast, please drop me a line in the comments section, and I will definitely check into that. Now, Valerie and I had such fun last year at Christmas with our live streams that we're going to go ahead and do that again. And of course, she's going to join me. It would not be fun for me doing it by myself without her. And yes, you're going to get all the bells and whistles. You're going to get the lights. You'll get the music. And yes, I found music this year that's through my sound provider that is copyright free. So there's going to be no issues with that. So I won't get any copyright strikes like I did this year. Now, we're definitely working out all the details. But you can expect this. A lot of fun, a lot of laughs, a lot of good cheer. And as we both want to help you and yours celebrate the best season of the year, Christmas. Now, there's going to be a lot more to come on this, so stay tuned. We are going to, I'm excited about it now. It's not even September yet. So definitely be looking forward to it. We're planning on having a lot of fun, and our goal is to try to keep it lighthearted, easy, and we want to see a lot of people. I want to be able to help them make their Christmases a little brighter by being able to share some things with them and let them give them some things. So like I said, stay tuned for this. This is going to be a lot of fun. We're going to have a blast with that. Now, have you subscribed to and do you know about Build a Drone? You know about Build a Drone Reviewer Limited Edition, but do you also know about Build a Technology Reviewer channel? Actually, that was the very first channel I started that. I started that about a month before I started Build a Drone Reviewer. Now, on Build a Technology Reviewer, there are some drone reviews and updates on there, but a lot of the focus on that channel is I have a tendency to look at things such as smartphones. I do a lot of smartphone technology on there. I've done some personal computers on there. I've done things such as how to cool down my home entertainment system. I've also covered an emergency weather radio that we got to cover hurricanes. There's a lot of that information in there, so I definitely highly recommend and suggest that you check that out. Now, accompanying that as well, I have a Build a Technology Reviewer Facebook page and Facebook group that I do update on a daily basis, and I do get all the latest technology news, and it will definitely be out there. And I recently just did one on the Motorola Razr foldable phone, so you guys definitely want to check that out. I'll drop a link in the description for you to do that. That's all that I have today, and I apologize that I haven't done one this year. It has just been absolutely crazy, and especially with this little bundle of joy that we have up in Ohio, she kind of distracted us a little bit in July because I've been meaning to get one of these out. So again, thanks so much for waiting, and as always, it's a great day to fly. Take care, everybody.